Hello everyone, welcome back to 5 Best Pro. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best outdoor pool tables. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Triumph 3-in-1 Swivel Multigame Table. Triumph 3-in-1 is a table with a play surface measuring 66 x 36.25 inches. It can be utilized as a pool desk, a table tennis board, and an air hockey table. The table is made up of extraordinary and experienced nylon. The accessories covered with the desk are a whole set of billiard balls, cues 2, chalks and brush, 2 desk tennis paddles and posts, 2 crimson pucks, desk tennis balls 2, hockey pushes 2, and desk tennis net. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 4, we have the Hathaway Park Avenue Billiard Pool Table Combo Set, 7 feet. Hathaway Park Avenue Pool Table is 7th on our usual thick list of top 10 nice out-of-doors pool tables for 2018. It comes with a chic design and is a multi-purpose desk. It may be applied as a pool table, as a tennis board, and as a eating desk. The table is made from extremely good MDF fabric and is blanketed with a durable black lamination, a good way to assist it remaining for years. The benches that come with this desk are strong and may be utilized to save game gadget, and so forth. At number 3, we have the Rack Donovan II 8 feet billiard table. Rack Donovan is an extremely good desk that incorporates a sleek design. The desk comes with leg levelers which can be disc-styled levelers to make the gambling floor more easy. The today's wool blend pink material gives a royal contact to the desk. The best vicinity that would be stepped forward become the basket in which the balls move. Currently, it's a plastic and may be changed for better, but that doesn't make a whole lot of difference, retaining in thoughts all the blessings the table offer. At number 2, we have the Hathaway Maverick Table Tennis and Pool Table, 7 feet. The Hathaway Maverick Pool Table serves the reason of 2. The desk is a really perfect combo of a pool and a table tennis table. The playing surface comes blanketed with pink felt, while the desk tennis play floor has a thick 2-piece blue surface. The table is wrapped in black laminate, the top rail in silver, and the chrome-plated nook cap gives a fantastic look and feel. The best part is, absolutely everyone can effortlessly collect this pool table. And finally at number 1, we have the Fat Cat Pocky 7 feet 3-in-1. The Fat Cat Pocky is a 3-in-a-single game table that permits you to play pool, air hockey, and table tennis, all in one. It is a compact table that has an experienced Tutterland fabric and with proper rubber bumpers that preserve the leg match. The high quality part of this desk is the integrated rack to keep all of your game system. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this outdoor pool tables, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.